Hey folks, welcome back to the shop, or in the case of this video, outside the shop. Just a little update on the Beetle project. Summer is kind of, well, what you would supposed to be summer, but it's been a rainy season. Summer's kind of coming to an end, baseball season's over and whatnot. I've had a chance to actually do a little bit of work on the car here, so let me show you a little quick update. It's nothing too special, but it's something. Rolled it outside today and decided I was going to start stripping the paint on it. There's numerous tools, but I'm finding what I've been using the most is just the wire brush on the grinder. This actually works pretty good. Sorry, where are you? This works pretty good for some of the rust too. But figured I'd start stripping. I don't know if you can see the ground is kind of yellow everywhere, but got a fair bit done. I got around the window here. Been looking to make sure there's rust. That's actually stripped and it's just dust. But I'm trying to find any more problem spots. Nothing around the rear window here. A few dents in here. Where is it? This one's kind of dented, but I had to replace this chunk of gutter. And you can see a little bit of rust down in there. I've treated it. And found a pinhole that'll have to fill. And the roof. And the reason I started on the roof, it's about half done, is because you can see on the side that I didn't strip yet. It has these cracks and they're rusting. And what I found is this car has like 4 paint jobs on it. And I don't know this gray stuff. It's awfully thick on the roof. If that's filler from the factory or what, it almost, unless this roof got stripped and repainted, it seems odd that there's that thick of stuff on there. Buildup of like 1/8 of an inch thick in spots. So like I say, I wanted to strip it to see what was going on under these cracks. And you can see here, there was a crack here, and a big one here, a little bit here, and another one right there. So just surface rust, but I'll have to rust treat them because it's kind of down in the metal. I might be able to grind most of it out, but I don't want to grind too much on the metal because it's fairly thin. You can see some more like in the gutter here. Same thing, it's kind of pocked, but I don't want to try to cut that out and replace it, so I'm just going to rust treat it really good. And then epoxy and the usual stuff. So yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing. You can see the side. This side's in pretty good shape. I have to do some work down here. Now this car is not going to be a Bondo wagon, but it is going to have filler in it. I'm not going to be using Bondo. I'm going to be using a different brand, some Rage Gold, the good stuff. But still got to do lots of work along here. I got to take this piece off. That's what holds the seal. Replace it all. Hopefully I can save it in there. But yeah, it's slowly coming along. What else is there? Like I say, the most work I've done is just placing this. It still needs to be straightened out. Getting this kind of welded back together on both sides. This side needs some more work. But I've been finding I've been using phosphoric acid. Well, it's a rust stuff, rust repair for pools and that. So you can kind of see a few runs here, but it actually converts rust to a coating and keeps it from rusting some more. So I also still needs a little bit of grinding, but this drip rail I've worked on, getting it close, so slowly coming along. But yeah, figured I'd give you an update. All you can see, I didn't get all the dust blowing out. Been doing lots of sanding, grinding, so it's a tough job. Don't let the TV shows fool you into thinking it can be done real quick, because it sure can't. But I'm going to keep plugging away, and hopefully I can get it stripped before winter comes. So until next time, take care and talk to you later.